Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Bushala with green vegetables. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the Bushala recipe. For the first part, you will need 1 litre or 4 cups of full cream yogurt, 3 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the second part, you will need 1 bunch of Swiss chard that I've just washed and chopped, 150 grams of baby spinach, 1 bunch of celery that I've just sliced, and 1 cup of white rice. And this is how your bushala should look like. It's a perfect dish for any cold winter's day. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!